Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the scent-based water bottle. You can get this product on Amazon for about $40. Check out the link in the description. The bottle comes with 2 peach flavor scent pots, a cleaning brush, a metal carabiner and a user manual. My first impression is very positive. It's a nice looking bottle and it's very lightweight. The user manual tells you how to use the water bottle with the scent pots. Using the water bottle is very easy. You just have to fill it with regular water and then insert the scent pot. Always make sure that the side with the small holes is facing towards you. The scent pots are easy to remove and you can also use the water bottle without any scent pots. The straw is removable, which makes it very easy to clean the bottle. I tested the water bottle for a few weeks and I think it's a very nice product. It takes some time to get used to the scent pots, but they do actually work and it feels like you're drinking flavored water instead of just regular water. Scent pot refills with mint flavor and lemon flavor will be available soon. Check out the links in the description. If you are looking for a reusable water bottle to improve your drinking habits without all the extra sugar, calories and additives, I would recommend the scent-based water bottle. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.